Hi there, and welcome to Ivan's Daily Photo. Today we're going up in the air. We're going to be looking at photos from a bird's point of view, and these are photos that we're taking with the drone. And 2 weeks ago, I got a chance to get my drone certification, pass the exam, and now I'm ready to officially go out and work and do photography for some of my clients, many of them that have asked me in the past to make sure that I provide them with aerial photograph. So in the last couple of weeks, I've been studying the drone and doing small flights. And today was the first time that I really get a chance to go out there and do some aerial photograph. And I picked up an area that is fairly open, and because there is hardly anybody out, it makes it easy for me to actually practice and stay away from structures. And I want to little by little build my knowledge and understanding of the drone before I go crazy and go to places that are probably a little more challenging. So I picked a park that is next to Hohokam Stadium, which is the Oakland A's AAA stadium here in Mesa, Arizona. So I wanted to use this stadium as part of my composition, and then obviously do some photography that will create some kind of a three-dimensional view where I have a foreground, middle ground, and background. Obviously, a lot of people that do drone photography loves the idea of photographing just straight down, kind of like the Google view. But I wanted to do more of a aerial view that had kind of a more deep structure on the photograph, so that there was kind of a way for the viewer to get engaged rather than just looking at something specific, to have a panoramic view of something. It's something that I'm very interested on and exploring, and I think aerial photography can accomplish many things. One of them that I'm really trying to is to find a sense of place. So rather than just photographing one item, I want to see the engagement or the connection of that item with the rest of the place. So that's what I'm experimenting. That's what I'm working on. And so I'm going to share with you the first photos from today. Actually, a few photos from today, and then eventually the photo that I chosen to be my photo of the day. All right, let's take a look. So this is the park that is to the right, or the south of the stadium, and there is obviously kind of very open area, and I'm making sure that I'm away from cables and power lines. To the south, I can see an apartment complex, and then in the background, you can see the downtown of the city of Mesa. And here is a closer look of what downtown looks like, and it's kind of a nice sky. I have some characters on with clouds. Sometimes we don't get that many, so clouds are nice to give us a little bit more of a depth. To the north is the stadium, and here's the first view that I captured. And I have a neighborhood on the north of it, and some mountains on the background. But I wanted to find something a little more kind of depicting the stadium, but also kind of the surrounding of it. This is a view from the north west side of the stadium, and I can see the neighborhood on the back, and kind of the feel and what's around the stadium. The photo that I like best is this particular one, because the stadium is right in the middle. It's kind of like opening up towards the background, and we have two landscape landmarks that are very well known here. One is Red Mountain, and then the other one is Four Peaks that sit right in the back on this photograph. So that is my photo for today, and I hope you like it. Thank you.